Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get free items on Roblox. So there are many ways to get free items on Roblox. First is promo codes. There are a lot of promo codes out there to search and get for Roblox. Just find these codes on Roblox website or any social media apps like Twitter, Reddit, or Discord. Second, event. Well, Roblox hosts events from time to time that offers free virtual items. So, find those events and get to them to get a free items on Roblox. Number 3, groups. There are some of the membership that have a benefit if you join them. So, join a membership on Roblox. Number 3, Creator Challenge. And number 4, Trading. And that's how to get free items in Roblox. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.